Hey, what's up, guys? This is Timebox Pro. We try to make your learning simple, focused, and time-boxed. Before we get started, if you are new to Microsoft Project, you can find the trial version link in the video or the details below. Microsoft has started subscription model and it costs a fraction for using these expensive softwares. You can try it for free for 30 days in Plan 3, which also comes with a desktop client.
In this video, we'll see how to create dependency tasks using predecessor and successor fields. The predecessor field lists one or many tasks on which the task depends before it can be started or finished. Each predecessor is linked to the task by a specific type of task dependency, and if needed, you can add a lead time or lag time. There are 4 types of predecessors you can use: finish to start, finish to finish, start to start, start to finish. To enter a lead time, which means you want to pull it earlier, type a negative number. To enter a lag time, which means you want to push it later, type a positive number. If you are using Project Online, please check the link in the description for instructions. The format and fields are the same, but it is a little different how to get it done. Okay, let's go ahead and see how to do this. I will be using my sample file. If you don't have one, you can download the same sample file from the description. I made the view to show all the subtasks visible. You can do it with a simple shortcut, Shift Alt *. Or you can go to View, Outline, and Show All Tasks. Shortcuts are very productive and saves a lot of time. Check out my shortcut video for amazing tricks to do your routine actions. It also has the shortcuts in a printable format that comes in handy. In the default view, you should have the predecessor column. If you don't see it, you can always search and add it. Now let me add the successor column. Both the columns really talk about the same information. Check out the tasks 2 and 3. For task ID 3, the predecessor is 2. Likewise, for task ID 2, the successor is 3. You can check this for any type of dependency you set it will still apply. I will hide the column from this view as I need a better Gantt chart view. There are several ways you can add these dependencies. You can select 2 tasks and click Link Task in the task menu, or you can use a shortcut Ctrl F2. Check the task 17, date changes from 5/4 to 5/8. If you want to remove the task dependency, you can select the task and click Unlink option in the task menu, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift F2. Another way to add dependency is by double-clicking the task, which opens the task information dialog. Go to the predecessor tab, and here you can either directly enter the task ID or look up the task name field where it lists all the tasks. You can pick the one you need. As far as the dependency type goes, there are 4 options to choose from: finish to start, start to start, finish to finish, start to finish. Let's see how each works. Finish to start FS is the default option, and it doesn't show the type FS unless you have a lag or lead information. As you can see, it just shows the dependency task ID 16, but if you add a lag duration, you will see it show the dependency type FS plus the lag information. The next option is start to start, SS, which means the task has to start with the dependency task. As I have a lag time, it will be 4th of May plus 1 day, so it starts on the 5th of May. The next option is finish to finish, FF. The task has to finish parallelly to the dependency task. With the lag, it should add another extra day. With the dependency task ending on 5/7 plus 1 lag day, the new end date will be the 8th of May. The next option is start to finish, SF. This is a little tricky. It means the dependency task cannot complete until this task starts. Oops, there comes a wizard. Whenever you have a problem with the data you enter, you get a message to confirm the action and also guide you to make the right choice. As you can see, with the dependency choice, the task has to move prior to the project start date. This is due to the fact task 16 developed test cases doesn't have any dependency. Let me cancel this change and create that dependency for task 14 before we try the start to finish. Okay, now let's apply start to finish, SF. There you go. You can see that task 17 has to start 4 days earlier than the dependency task 16, and because of the lag, it has 5 working days. It'll be 7/13. And the develop test cases task starts 4 days after performing testing. Totally not possible for the scenario though, right? Now, the lag duration. You can always give a positive or negative value. It can be number of days, weeks, months, hours, etc. You can also give percentage value, which will calculate the appropriate days. With 10% you don't see as many change, but with 30% you can see the data is changing. Once you learn how to use these dependencies, you can directly type them in the predecessor column, like 16, finish to finish, 1 day. You can also change the dependency type in the Gantt chart view, but only after you establish the dependency. You will see a directional arrow from the predecessor task. Just double click the arrow and it shows the pop-up where you can make the changes. Or you can remove the dependency using the delete button. Just try to change the lag to 20% and hit OK. There you go, it changes. This is a great feature in Microsoft Project that makes your plan so dynamic, and you can see the impact where all it changes with a pale blue color in the task list.
Feel free to share your feedback in comments below and ask any questions where you need help with. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.